In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch forms between a logarithmic and an exponential equation. So one trick I use with my students is that we say logs are bay, and so the order of the things you plug into the logarithmic equation goes the base, the answer, and then the exponent. So that's the BAE, bay. And so then when you switch forms, you would write it as base raised to the exponent is equal to the answer. And so to get from logarithmic to exponential, we do something called the swoosh method. So it'd be b to the e equals a. So let's practice this. What you need to know is that logarithmic and exponential equations are just inverses of each other. And so they help when solving to basically, like if you're solving logarithmic, you can switch to exponential to solve, or if you're solving exponential, you could switch to logarithmic to solve. So if I have something like this, log base 2 of x equals 5, and I wanted to solve this, I would take and do the swoosh method, and that would be 2 to the 5 is equal to x. And so you're undoing the log by swooshing it base, then you go to the exponent and then the answer. All right, if you are given a log that does not have a subscript value, let's say I have the log of 50 is equal to y. When you don't see a number there, there's really a 10. It's just invisible 10. And so then you would do the swoosh, and this would end up being 10 to the y is equal to 50. Another scenario that you could see would be a natural log, and it could just have a variable or a number. Let's say I was doing the natural log of x is equal to, I don't know, 4. When you see natural log and there's no subscript, there's really an invisible e. And so then I would swoosh, and my result would be e to the 4th is equal to x. So that's how you go from log to exponential. To go in reverse, let's say we had 5 to the x is equal to 15. What we would do is we say logs are bay, base, answer is equal to the exponent. So one thing that's really important to know is that logs always equal exponents. That's what a log is. It's finding the exponent, saying what exponent did you raise this number to get the answer. All right, so let's just practice this again. If I have e to the x is equal to 3, then I'm going to use natural log, and I don't have to write base e. It's given if you're using natural log. So I have natural log, then I would have the answer is equal to the exponent. Now you can technically in the calculator write this as log base e of 3 equals x, and you'll get the same value. Natural log is just a shortcut. All right, if I have 10 to the second equals y, the way I would change forms would just to be put just regular log, then I put my answer, and then it's equal to the exponent. So if I have base 10, I don't have to write it as a subscript. If you want to, you can. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just people just leave it off when it's base 10. All right, so more commonly than that, you just deal with the ones that are regular numbers. So if I had 3 to the x equals 1/3, I would say logs are bay, log, base, answer equals the exponent, BAE. One more quickly. If I had 5 to the y equals 1/25, I would just have logs are bay, log, base, answer, exponent. Hope this helps.